What's good, y'all? Welcome back to your favorite Bantu channel. Iyabulisa inkosi yamashangane uSithole, and I am Bantu Basi. We're gonna talk about the true origins of my ethnic tribe, the Shangaan. We don't call ourselves Shangaan to degrade ourselves. We get this name from our leader, Soshangane Nxumalo kaZikode. Let's jump to the video.
But first, let's look at the royal lineage of uSoshangane uNxumalo. Then there was uNdwandwe kaNxumalo, Mkhatshwa kaNdwandwe, Manukuse kaMkhatshwa, Makweya kaManukuse, Gasa kaMakweya, Zikode kaGasa. Then there was uSoshangane kaZikode, the founder of the Shangaan tribe. uSoshangane was born in 1780 in KwaNongoma, present-day KwaZulu-Natal. After the death of uZikode, the father of Soshangane, uSoshangane grew up under the authority of uZwide Kalanga, the king of the Ndwandwe. And there, uSoshangane started to learn the art of war and battle alongside his friend uMzilikazi kaMashobana. uMzilikazi later became the founder of Amandebele in Zimbabwe. Like all young Nguni men, uSoshangane was trained within the military system or Ubutho of the Ndwandwe. He was later established as a high-ranking military leader or Induna under uZwide Kalanga. But on the other hand, after the death of uMashobana, the father of uMzilikazi broke off from the Ndwandwe kingdom. uMzilikazi was angered. He left with his empire, AbakwaKhumalo, and pledged allegiance with AbakwaZulu, Omthethwa. And at that time, uShaka Zulu was the king. uZwangendaba noNxaba noSoshangane were still high-ranking military leaders for the Ndwandwe kingdom. The battle in the Umhlutaze River between the Ndwandwe and AbakwaMthethwa. The Ndwandwe army was led by uZwide Kalanga, and on the other hand, Omthethwa were led by uShaka kaSenzangakhona, a fierce warrior too. In this bloodthirsty war, uZwide Kalanga, the king of the Ndwandwe, lost all of his sons, but one survived, uSikhunyana. And this battle went on for hours and hours and hours, but it's unfortunate the Ndwandwe lost this battle. After the Ndwandwe were defeated by AbakwaMthethwa, uSoshangane took all of the regiments that survived the battle of the Umhlutaze River, and he broke off from the rule of uZwide Kalanga. Soshangane refused to submit under uShaka Zulu, so he gathered all of his Ndwandwe regiments and refugees, and they started migrating northwards. uSoshangane and the Ndwandwe continued migrating northwards, and they crossed the Pongola River into a region that would later become Swaziland. They passed the Limpopo River and they entered the territory of the Tsonga people, which is now in southern Mozambique. When they entered, bebedinga indawo eyohlala, bebesithi sidinga indawo. uSoshangane established his empire in Mozambique. He named this empire the Gaza Empire after his grandfather uGasa kaMakweya. The Gaza kingdom extended over southern Mozambique, western Zimbabwe, and some parts of eastern and northern Transvaal, South Africa. The Ndwandwe were later known as Amashangane. Soshangane conquered and subjugated other local Tsonga-speaking peoples, the Ronga, the Ndau, and the Chopi people in modern-day Mozambique. He then actively imposed the Nguni political and military system upon these tribes. uSoshangane rebelled against the slave-raiding Portuguese, and after the death of uSoshangane, he was succeeded by his son uMawewe.